Kolomoki Mound. And this is their museum. These are the artifacts that the Indians created or made. This is how big it is. And we are in this Mound E. We are in the burial mound. And I want to go in here. This is where all the Indian bodies were piled and buried. It's the Temple Mound. It's a very huge mound to visit. And there's several hiking trails here. Everyday life in a village for these Indian people, and I don't know what circa they are, but they are old. The funeral ceremonies of a Kolomoki chief priest. And those are the Indian replica. The mortuary practices. And that's how they do that one. And then before they burned the body, and that's the chief, Indian chief. And this is where the excavation found or started. And that's the chief. That's the and this is their ceramic. This is the one that they made. This is so cool. It looks, the design is exquisite also. That one looks cute. This one looks like Pokemon. And this is how the this is the equipment for the excavation thing. Excavation people.
Excavation thing.
Yep. Pottery deposits.
Are you gonna make a YouTube video out of this or something?
Yep. I do archaeology excavation of Mound E. Cool. And we are here in Mount B. That's the steps that we needed to walk on. Bud, come here, Bud. No, no. Come on. Shh. But wait for me. Okay. Hold on. It's a long steps. so hot, but it's okay. I needed it. It's a good exercise for myself. Welcome to Kolomoki Mound, an Indian cemetery. There's the lake, and we just finished the White Oak Trail. This is their dam. It is so quiet in here. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 moving. Na, 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 na. Bud, no, no.